Alright everybody, this is the stock sound on the car with the stock exhaust. We're just going to do a cold start, and I'm itching to get those SLPs on here. Alright, there we go. That's what the stock exhaust sounds like. So when we come back, we'll do the SLP cold start. Alright guys, I'm down here at Tommy's exhaust. The car is on the hoist. Guess what we're doing today? Alright, so far we've got the mid mufflers off. So we're going to be putting the SLPs right in here. So that's been cut out, and the old mufflers are gone bye-bye. We're going to be taking the resonators off too, as well. So, yeah, things are looking good so far. We'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, we're back. The SLPs are on. We're all welded up. There we go. They're installed. Now the only thing left to do is get rid of the resonators. There we go. All said and done. Woohoo. Right on. Don't mind me, I'm just shooting a video.
I don't mind.
Alright guys, we're back. We're in the process of taking the resonators off now. And you'll see where he's... So the pipe's been cut here. Gonna put a new pipe in, bend around, and go up here. So, and then of course the pipe's been cut here. And then of course we'll reinstall the hanger. And reinstall the hangers again. It's gonna sound good. I can hardly wait to fire this thing up. It's gonna sound awesome. Back in a little while. Alright, as you can see, the resonators are gone. And here they are down here. Look how big these fucking things are, right? Like fucking 20 pounds a piece. Plus the 10 pounds of muffler. So those 50 pounds lost off the car already. There we go. Alright, so there's a new pipe being installed now. And the same thing's going to happen on the other side. There we go, new hangers, stuff, perfect. Gonna look good, it's gonna sound good. Just gotta do this side now and this should be all done. That car is gonna sound fucking fantastic with those SLP mufflers on there. I can't wait for the, for when they fire it up. We're all going to have a listen too. Alright, back in a while. Alright, we're back. The other side is done now. What we're going to do is just shorten these up. And she's all finished. So, looking good. There we go. Dips right to the back. Right up. Alright. Next is when we wait to hear it fire up. We'll come back for that. Alright, the car is coming down off the hoist now, and we're getting ready to fire this fucking thing up. Don't mind the background noise, it's just the mechanics hooting and hollering. This is going to sound fucking fantastic. Fucking loud. That sounds fucking fantastic. Alright. We'll catch everybody later. This is going to be a fun car to drive now. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, share, like the video. Somebody's having them in my car. Alright. Catch everybody later.